Hey, hola! It's Lex and Lean again, and we're back at it with a little surprise for you. We are doing a review on Boxycharm.
Boxy.
Tell them about Boxycharm.
So we have had Boxycharm in our lives for several years. We canceled for a little bit because we had so much stuff, and we decided to resubscribe because, of course, our new YouTube channel
got us into it. So today we are going to be reviewing the August box for you, and stay tuned for the other video. We are also doing the July box. We just got it a little late based on, you know, the sign up time.
Yeah.
So you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, guys, let's start this unboxing.
Let's do it.
We're gonna start with a moisturizer.
Definitely starting with my Hydro Glow Sleep Serum, which is a triple action hyaluronic serum.
Looks good. I got Glam Glow Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. This looks awesome. We received a product from Glam Glow a while back that was a face wash that I loved because it was great for sensitive skin. So
great for people that break out as well. This smells great. I, put a little bit on my hand. Feels good on too.
Mine does not have any scent, which I'm really happy about because as I have rosacea, I really like things that are unscented and sensitive. So you kind of get a look at that. It's light green. Feels great. I have not used it on my skin yet, but it feels good on my hands.
This feels so good. I'm really enjoying this. I love hyaluronic serums because I need that extra moisture.
Mine doesn't have any claims. It just says Omega Rich Moisturizer, and it retails for $54. So there you go. It pays for the box and then some, double what the box costs.
Mine is by Mind Tan Body Skin, and it retails for $44.95. So the box, it just blew it out the water with the whole cost. $44.95, $25, it's done.
Right. All right, moving on to the eyes. So this is a Violet Voss.
The Violet Voss.
Yeah. We've received a palette from them before, right? I think we got the same one in the past.
This is
Essentials 2 Pro Series.
It's a 2. Last year we ended up getting the 1, remember?
So these are the colors. Kind of tried them earlier. We'll swatch them for you. You've got 10 pans, and then we'll swatch them so you can see what they look on us.
Guys, if you notice my eyes, I use some of the color on my eyes, like the Wild Orchid, the Blue Violet, Wild Orchid Blue Violet. I use the tan on my eyes, and then I use that chocolate brown color right there at the top as well. They're kind of nice, they're pretty. Oh, I also use the rose gold in the inner corner, just barely, just a little touch there. It's cute, I like it.
All right, I'm swatching beige. Beige is the color of my skin, so you guys probably won't see it. Clay, rose gold. I have to really pack these on for you to see because they don't have a ton of pigment. I remember that from the last palette that we got. So unfortunately that hasn't improved, but it's workable.
Yeah.
And okay, this chocolate color is pretty decent. Bronze. This one retails for $36.
$36, wow.
What they look like on me. There's like a million colors. So yeah, the way they look in the palette is definitely, they appear to be a lot more bright.
Put your arm right there so we can see both.
They actually are. Because they don't really show up that great on me.
My skin tone definitely helps, but I definitely did, pack it on real good there so you can.
All right, so far, my least favorite product, let's see. I usually like most everything you get. So what's next?
For my lips, I've got the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector.
And I got the Sugar Rush Tarte. Tarte is awesome, right? Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in the scent Peony. And it retails for $12. What does yours cost?
Guys, mine is $26. And I actually thought it was gonna dry down really dry and crusty, but I'm so excited because it's not too dry, it's not crusty at all, and I love how soft it feels. Like
so yours is a matte, but it's still hydrating.
It has a little cushion. It's matte and hydrating, and how hard is that to come by? It has a cushion on the lips, and I really like the way it feels.
This feels amazing. It smells it doesn't smell like peony, it smells like buttercream, vanilla buttercream frosting, and cake.
And what can you ask for? A pigmented, velvety, moisturizing, soft lip color. It has a cushion on there. I like that a lot.
I like that. That reminds me of my NYX.
I know.
My favorite color.
Your
Squad
goals.
Everyone knows it. They're like, that's the shit that's good on you. What's it called?
That's squad goals.
All right, so I did like this one.
For the face, we've got
more stuff for the face. I've got an eyebrow. This is like a fiber gel, sorry. It's by Milk, awesome brand, Milk Makeup, and it's in the shade Herb, Kush Fiber Brow Gel. And it's got like a little, so that's the packaging. And then it's got a little spoolie.
And by Rocking Cosmetics, I've got this beautiful big fat liner I'm gonna feature here. Rocking Cosmetics, not bad. I enjoyed, you know, the Rocking is glamping. I mean, I'm definitely gonna be hashtagging that on my, you know, Instagram and our Ivory Ebony Life Instagram. Be sure to check that out. But look at that, it's like a nice dark
very
color.
I like that.
And it's
how does it dry down?
Really, like super fast, guys.
Yeah.
It's a big fat, it really is.
That's great for those of you who like to do a cat eye.
Yeah, and for those of you that have like larger eyes like me, rounder, and you want to make them look smaller, go in with this guy. Because I did that on the top here today too. Very subtle.
Herb color, wasn't sure about it, but it looks like it's gonna work for me. It's kind of like a taupe, and that's what I use for my brows. So I'll feature that in a future video. Another thing we have for the face, and mine retails at $20.
$25 for the big fat liner, can't go wrong.
And lastly, Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Let's see how this looks. It looks like some decent packaging. The compact is nice. It has a huge mirror, and that's the color, which I think will be perfect for my face.
Guys, I'm shimmying over here because I am about to unveil
your favorite product?
Oh my gosh, this is the QMS product. Like, they sun and sell the best things. It is the QMX Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. Yes, can't wait to put this on. Like, some people are like, oh my God, is that day cream gonna work for you? But
is the tinted shade gonna work for Charlene?
This is what it looks like on. You might be like, I don't think so, girl. Right. But let's see how it blends out. Now, you know, you might still be saying no right there, but look at what that does.
It's actually working.
It's an amazing tinted day cream. And guys, this sells for a whopping $105.
Wow.
$105. Like, yes.
My bronzer sells for $24, and this is the shade. I think it'll work perfectly for me. So we'll feature, I'm definitely gonna put some of these on in a future video, especially the eyebrow one.
Love this.
So that's your favorite product?
Favorite product.
Yeah. I would say every time we get a Boxycharm, I love most of the products. Maybe once in a while I don't like something. So I really do enjoy everything we got here. I think it's worth what we paid and then some.
25
The only thing I didn't love was this. But I mean, I could still do something.
I had to work, you know, to get it on, but look. I got my eyes.
You got it. But everything else, I did enjoy thoroughly so far. We'll see what they look like on my face later.
Let's see.
So
that was awesome.
Yeah, stay tuned for our next video. We're doing the July box kind of late because we got it late, but check it out. We got lots of different stuff in there that we want to show you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya.
Love ya. Bye.
Ciao.